Platform 11 for the 13:30 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowdin, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now standing at Platform 9 is the 13:31 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. Platform 12 for the 13:32 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowdin,